We often think that animals of different species can't mate and produce offspring. But one species, which can produce offspring that is completely different from both parents, is quite strange. The mule, the hybrid offspring of a female horse and a male donkey. It's a species born from two different species, and yet it can't reproduce. So why is there an exception? Mules are often seen as incredibly strong, hardworking, and resilient animals. Especially in tasks like plowing fields or carrying heavy loads, mules are hailed as superheroes in the animal kingdom. With the strength of a horse and the endurance of a donkey, they are almost seen as the perfect animal. But that's just one side of the story. The genetic makeup of the mule is a blend between two distinct species. It is known that within its body cells, there are two full sets of genes. One from the horse mother and one from the donkey father. However, when creating sex cells, something goes wrong. Due to the mixing of two different species, it is impossible to create viable sex cells. So can we call the mule a complete organism when it cannot reproduce? On one side, the mule is a result of remarkable evolution. It has strength, endurance, and the ability to work tirelessly. However, on the other side, when we look deeper into its genetics, we see it's incomplete. Why can one species be a super athlete but fail to continue its lineage? This is the evolutionary paradox. In the animal world, reproduction is the key to survival. However, the mule can live a long life without reproducing. Its existence is not based on reproducing future generations, but on its superior ability in work and health. Is the mule a failed product of evolution or a breakthrough? The mule lives a long life, but cannot pass on its genes. It has to pay a huge price. No genetic future. Can we consider this an evolutionary victory when there is no reproduction? Why can an organism be so strong and resilient, but fail to create the next generation? So is the mule a symbol of strength, or a question with no answer? Is it the perfect product of two different species? Or is it nature's failure to create a species that can sustain life? Let us know in the comments. Super soldier or evolutionary mistake?